Trust in government, of course, is not something to be had for the asking. It's not gained by the politics of image. It begins with the trust of those who govern in the people. And so one asks himself, well, what kind of a man can arouse that trust? What kind of a man can help restore our confidence and remind us that we can have the country we want to have? Certainly, it's only a man of character, only a man of openness, integrity, courage, and honor can do those things. I'm confident that Boris Udall is such a man, and I can't quote political odds, but I'm naive enough to think that if everybody gets out and works for the best man, the best will come about.
Elect Mo Udall president.